In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and export private key on SafePal Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is open up your SafePal Wallet. You can do it either on your Chrome extension over here or on your mobile device as well, so the app for your phone. It works pretty much the same way on both of these. I'm going to show you on the Chrome extension. Now, you want to first go to your wallet up here, so you want to just click on your wallet name, top right, and it will show up your wallets. Now, if you have multiple, you'll be able to choose which private key you would like to export and see. So I only have wallet 1, that's what I'm going to go with. You want to click on those 3 lines next to it, or those 3 dots, pardon me. And then from here, it says export private key over here. Just click on export private key. After that, you'll have to select your network. So for this, we're going to go, for example, with Ethereum. Then you want to enter in your password for your wallet. So just type that in, press verify, and after that, the private key will show up on your screen. You'll be able to copy it and save it somewhere safe. So that's pretty much it. That's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.